In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu and I keep scrolling down through the list until I spot audio and visual. When I see it, I tap on audio and visual, and that takes me into the section where audio related settings are located. Alright, now that I'm here on the audio and visual screen, I look for the option labelled Add Voice Isolation. Once I find it, I go ahead and tap the toggle to turn it on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. If I ever want to turn it off again, I just tap the same toggle and it switches right back. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the settings stayed enabled and everything looks right. There's nothing else I need to adjust, so I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready. Now I start backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Audio and Visual, and toggle Add Voice Isolation on or off again. Sometimes I'll stay on the screen for a second and glance through the surrounding options just to get familiar with what else is available before exiting. It's a simple habit that helps me remember where everything is located later. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn on voice isolation on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever